Hello friends, my name is Shah Kavish.
My name is Vishal Sharat and my name is Malosa.
We are from GH Patel College of Engineering, Vallabh Vidyanagar, and our subject is design engineering, and our topic of interest is polymer. As we know, polymer is made up of many small units to make a large macromolecule, and polymer is used in many industrial and commercial applications. And one of the problems with polymer is that it is harmful to the environment in one way or the other. So to meet the recent environmental crisis and all the environmental constraints, we are interested to design a polymer that is biodegradable, and so we have derived a process to make the polylactic acid that is a biodegradable molecule, a biodegradable polymer. In today's world of green chemistry and the concern for the environment, PLA has additional interest for the marketers. And one of the key application and usefulness of this PLA is that it is non-toxic and biodegradable, so that it mixes with the soil when it is degraded. And also and also the process to make this is the basic fermentation process, and all the resources used to make the PLA are 100% biodegradable. And so it is a very cost-free type of process and environmentally useful process. And now my friend Vishal Sarat will explain the nomenclature of the instruments used to initiate the process, and also how the process will proceed.
Thank you, Kavish. Now, this is the different parts of the process in production of PLA. There are the different equipment are used like distillation column, distillation. We have two distillation column. This is a fermenter. This is the heater. This is a and these are the two type of reactor. Now, first of all, PLA polylactic acid is produced from renewable resources or food material like corn, rice, wheat, etc. So, first of all, the corn is harvested and milled to extract the starch, and the starch is then converted into the dextrose. So here the first of all dextrose is admitted into the fermenter, and where the fermentation process takes place in the absence of oxygen, and it is caused by the microorganism, and by fermentation process dextrose is converted into lactic acid. From there and then lactic acid is sent to the reactor, where here the pre-polymerization process takes place, and after that it will send to the distillation column, where further purification are take place, and the unusual components are removed, and then it also sent to the other distillation column, where the separation process is take place. Then it sent to the reactor. Here in this reactor the mesolactate and low lactate polymer are produced. Then it sent to the one tank, where polymerization process and condensation process take place. And from here the long chain polymer, which name is PLA polylactic acid, is produced. And here the unusual waste material is recycled, and one recycling stream is fed back to the fermenter for increase the efficiency of the process. Now the further applications of the PLA polylactic acid is explained by my friend Malosa.
Thank you, Vishal. My friend Vishal talk about how the PLA manufacture, and I will explain the application of the PLA. Now, generally PLA is used in many industries and also domestic usage. Now, further PLA is first of all used in cloth industries, and PLA is also used for plastic cups and also web crepes. PLA are other application of main application of the PLA is to make the medicines and the PLA injections, and it is also used to make it is also used in textile industries. PLA is generally basically used in our domestic uses like cups, plastics, and etc. Thank you.